Good morning, friends. Today in our math book, we're going to be on page 277. We're going to look at lesson 7.5, model and count and write 15. Okay, I'm going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. All right, friends, and remember for all of our teen numbers, first we need to make a group of 10. So I'm going to fill my tens frame and make my group of 10 first. I know that if I put one cube in each square on my tens frame, I'm going to have 10. So I'm going to fill it, and then we're going to double check it, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to count on to make 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 10 black and 5 red. 10 and 5 makes 15. All right, friends, I'm going to move my snap cubes and we're going to draw it. So now we're going to draw to show 15. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 10 and 5 more makes 15. We're going to practice writing the number 15 down here. Remember, all of our teen numbers start with 1. So I'm going to write 1 and then 5. Make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. All right, friends, take your time and finish that. Remember, if you need to pause at any point, pause the video. All right, we're going to turn and look at the next page. So the first thing we need to do is count the kiwis at the top. So go ahead and take a second and count the kiwis at the top. You count on your own. All right, now let's count it together. Ready? I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, then we're going to trace it. The number 15 is 1 and a 5. We have one group of 10 and 5 extra ones. All right, friends. Now, again, we're going to use our counters to show the number 15. So remember, first we need to make our group of 10. So let's add 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, friends, so I have 10 ones. And how many extra? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, I'm going to make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. 10 ones and 5 ones. Now, friends, we can move our snap cubes again, and you can draw it. Okay, friends, now we're going to go ahead and draw 15. So remember, I'm going to make my 10 first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have my group of 10, and then remember, 15 is 5 extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go back and check it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, my friends, remember, pause the video at any point if you need to. Let's go ahead and look at number 4. Let's count the flowers together, and we're going to practice crossing out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now I'm going to practice writing the number 15. Ready? First, we're going to make our 1. Straight line down, then you're done. That's how you make the number 1. And our 5, make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. So remember, friends, when we write our teen numbers, the 1 is always first for our one group of 10. So let's finish tracing our 15s. All right. Now let's count the blue circles together and practice crossing off. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have to write the number 15. So we have 1, 5, 1, 10, and 5 extra ones. Let's write our addition sentence to match our picture. So in our tens frame, we have 10. So first we're going to write the number 10. 1, 0, 10. Plus, outside of our tens frame, we have 5 extra ones. 10 plus 5. All right, 10 plus 5 equals, let's look at our picture. 10 plus 5 extra ones equals 15. All right, my friends, go ahead and take a second. Make sure you finish that page. Again, if you need to stop at any point, you can stop or pause the video. All right, let's take a look at our back page. It says to start with the blue bead on the left, and we're going to circle 15 beads. Okay, so let's count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to circle that group. Okay, let's count our yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 yellow beads, and let's count our blue beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 blue beads. Now, we want to write an addition sentence to match that. So we have 15 equals, how many yellow do we have? 5. Plus, how many blue do we have? 10. So 15 equals 5 plus 10. All right, my friends, you rocked it. We will see you back here tomorrow.